Hello everyone. In today's video, I am doing 15 questions of 1 marks from the chapter Polynomials class 9th. All these questions are very important and probable questions to be asked in the exams. So let's start doing the questions. If x square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3, then find k. So here I am writing x square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now we will solve it. X square plus kx plus 6, it is equal to, this x will multiply x plus 3 and this plus 2 will multiply x plus 3. So we will solve it now further. X square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x into x is x square plus 3 into x is 3x plus 2 into x is 2x plus into plus plus 2 into 3 is 6. Further we will solve x square plus kx plus 6, it is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6. Now we will compare. On comparing, so you can see here x square and x square is same, 6 and 6 is same, kx is equal to 5x. So x and x can be cancelled, k will be equal to 5. So this way we can find the value of k. The next question is write the degree of this polynomial. So x cube minus 2 into x square plus 11. So we can solve it. It is x cube into x square plus 11, then minus 2 into x square plus 11. So further, x power 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 11 x cube minus 2x square minus 2 and 11 minus 22. So you can see here the maximum power, that is 5. So we will say degree is equal to 5. Here the major mistake done by the students is they multiply these degrees. So degrees will not be multiplied because x power m into x power n is x power m plus n. So degrees are to be added. Now the next question, what is the degree of this polynomial? So you can see here 2 is a constant polynomial. Here degree is 2, here is 3, here is 7. So highest power is called degree. So degree of this polynomial will be 7. Now, what is the degree of 0 polynomial? So degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. So whenever such question comes in the exam, you can write that degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Now, what is the degree, what is the 0 of 0 polynomial? What is the 0 of 0 polynomial? So here you can write any real number. 0 of 0 polynomial is any real number. Then what is the 0 of this polynomial? So you know, to find 0, this is the solution. To find 0, put this polynomial equal to 0. So what is the polynomial? Cx plus d is equal to 0. So from here we can write Cx is equal to minus d and x will be equal to minus d upon c. So this is the zero of this polynomial. Next is, what is the zero of this polynomial? P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So we can write, to find 0, put px equal to 0 means 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So 2x will be equal to minus 5 and x will be equal to minus 5 upon 2. So this way we can find the zero of the some particular polynomial. Now we will do question number 8. That if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then find k. So if x minus 1 is a factor, so we can equate x minus 1 to 0. So x will be equal to 1. So we can write, since x minus 1 is a factor of px. Since x minus 1 is a factor of px, therefore p and in the bracket this 1, it is equal to 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. So this 1 we will put here, 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So here I can do the question. This 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus k is equal to 0. And the value of k will be equal to minus 2. Now the next question is, find the remainder when this is divided by x plus 1. Solution. Here x plus 1 in the rough work you can equate to 0. So x will be equal to minus 1. So we can say that minus 1 is the zero of x plus 1. Here to find the remainder we will apply a remainder theorem. So we will write required remainder. So this polynomial is divided by x plus 1. So we will find here p of minus 1. So minus 1 here, minus 1 raised to power 31 plus 31. So minus 1 power 31 means minus ki power odd number, it will be minus 1 only, plus 30. And 30 minus 1 is 29. So the required remainder is 29. Right? Now find p of 1 by 3 if p of t. Find p of 1 by 3 if p of t is this. So simply we are to find p of 1 by 3. So wherever t is there you put 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 ka whole square minus, in place of t 1 by 3 plus 2. It is 1 by 3 3s are 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 over 1. Here the LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 9 divided by 9. This 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 1s are 1. Minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 1s are 3. Plus 9 divided by 1 is 9 and 9 2s are 18. So 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 minus 3 is 16 upon 9. So the value of p of 1 by 3 is 16 upon 9. The next question is, find the value of p for which x plus p is a factor of this. Since x plus p is a factor of the given polynomial, so x plus p will be equated to 0 in the rough work. X is equal to minus p. So we can say that minus p is the zero of this given polynomial. So what is the polynomial? P of x is equal to x square plus px plus 3 minus p. Now since x plus p is a factor since x plus p is a factor of p of x, therefore p, now in place of x we will put minus p. P of minus p will be equal to 0. Now this minus p we will put here. X square means minus p ka square plus px, so p into minus p, because in place of x we have substituted minus p, plus 3 minus p is equal to 0. So minus power even number is p square here, minus p into p is minus p square, plus 3 minus p is equal to 0. So p square of plus and minus cancel out. Minus p is equal to plus 3 goes to the right, it is minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So p will be equal to 3. So this is the value of p. Now the next question is 12th. Find the remainder when x power 51 plus 51 is divided by x plus 1. So you can equate x plus 1 to 0. X will be equal to minus 1. So we can say minus 1 is the 0 of x plus 1. So required remainder will be what? Since it is a question of 1 mark, so we will directly write that p of minus 1 is the required remainder. Now minus 1 we will substitute here. Minus 1 raised to power 51 plus 51. So minus is a power odd number is minus 1 plus 51. So 51 minus 1 is 50. Now we will proceed for question number 13. Find k if x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus k is exactly divisible by x plus 2. Exactly divisible by x plus 2 means x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. We will equate x plus 2 to 0. So what will the value of x be? Minus 2. So we can say that minus 2 is the 0 of this x plus 2. Now p of x, it is given to you. What? X cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus k. Now we will write, since p of x is exactly divisible, since p of x is exactly divisible by x plus 2, therefore p of minus 2 is equal to 0, because x plus 2 is a factor of it. Now this minus 2 we will put here. Minus 2 cube plus 6 into minus 2 ka square plus 4 into minus 2 plus k, and it is equal to 0. We will solve it. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 square is plus 4. Plus 4 into 6 is plus 24. 4 2s are 8 with minus sign, plus k is equal to 0. Minus 8 and minus 8 are added, minus 16 plus 24 plus k is equal to 0. Now 24 minus 16 is 8. So 8 plus k is equal to 0, and the value of k will be equal to minus 8. Now next question. Find k if x minus 1 is a factor of this. So x minus 1 can be equated to 0. So x will be equal to 1. So we can say that 1 is the 0 of x minus 1. So you are given p of x as kx square minus under root 2x plus 1. You will write, since x minus 1 is a factor of, since x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, therefore p in the bracket this 1 equal to 0. P of 1 will be equal to 0. Now you substitute 1 here. K into 1 square minus under root 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this will become k minus under root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we will find the value of k from here. K is equal to minus under root 2 goes to the right, plus under root 2 plus 1 goes to the right, it is minus 1. So the value of k has come out to be under root 2 minus 1. This is the value of k. Now is the last question. Find the zeros of this polynomial. So p of x we can write equal to x square minus 2x. To find zeros, of p of x, put p of x equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Now we will take out x common from here. X square divided by x is x, minus 2x divided by x is 2. So either this x will be equal to 0 or this x minus 2 will be equal to 0. So therefore x, one value has come out to be 0 and other will be 2. So there are two zeros of x square minus 2x, that is 0 and 2. So this was the solution of all 15 questions which are of 1 marker of different types of polynomials. Hope you have understood all the solutions explained. If you have really like the video, comment and do subscribe the channel and keep the notification on so that further you can get the notification of the videos posted. Thank you.